Okay, hi boys and girls. Today we're going to be doing lesson 10 in math, and the object or the objective of this lesson is to add 3 numbers, okay? So let's start our lesson here. To add 3 numbers, we use 2 steps. Step 1 is we add 2 of the 3 numbers, and then step 2, we add the third number to the sum of the first 2 numbers. So here is an example. We have the numbers 4, 3, and 5. 4 plus 3 plus 5. So here they have step 1. They're going to add 4 plus 3 first. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. And then we take that 7 and we're going to add it to 5. 7 plus 5 equals 12. We can add 4, 3, and 5 in any order. The sum, which is the answer in an addition number sentence, will always be 12, okay, when we are just adding 4, 3, and 5. So I can do 4 plus 3 plus 5, that's going to equal 12. I could add 3 plus 5 plus 4, that's going to equal 12. And I can also add 5 plus 4 plus 3, that will also equal 12. Next problem here, we have 3 plus 6 plus 5. So there are 3 ways we can do this. First one, we add 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 is 9, and we take this sum, 9 plus 5, and that's going to equal 14. Or here in the second step, or the second way, I'm sorry, we add 6 plus 5 first. The sum is 11, and then we have 3 plus 11, that equals 14. Or you can add 3 plus 5, that's going to equal 8, plus 6 equals 14. Okay? Again, more than one way to solve this problem. And since it's addition, you can add these numbers in any order. You will still get the same sum, okay? Example 2 here, we have a word problem. Sarah walked for 5 minutes, she jumped roped for 1 minute, and she jogged for 4 minutes. So how many minutes did Sarah exercise? So now we're going to add those 3 numbers. Let me just get the second page here. So we're going to add the minutes in 2 steps. She walked for 5, she jumped for 1 minute, jumped rope for 1 minute, and she also jogged for 4 minutes, okay? So we have 5 plus 1 plus 4. Here they added 1 plus 4, and they had the sum is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. So she exercised for 10 minutes total. Okay, again, this is just an explanation. 1 plus 4 equals 5. For step 2, we add 5 plus 5 and we get 10. And our sentence here to answer the problem, the word problem, Sarah exercised for 10 minutes. Okay? All right, let's take a look now at these problems. I'm just going to get a sheet of paper here so we can solve them together. Okay, so the first one, we have here 1 plus 3 plus 2. Okay, 1 plus 3 plus 2, okay? My suggestion would be to find, or to always work with numbers that are gonna equal 5 or 10, because those are easy sums to work with. So here, 3 plus 2, that's going to be 5. So I have 1 plus 5 equals 6, okay? This is what I need to see on your papers when you are solving these problems. And you can do it in any order. My suggestion was to just find or work with numbers that either when you add them, they can equal 5 or 10, because those are easy numbers to work with. Okay, next one here, B, 4 plus 4 plus 4. Okay, I'm gonna write that down here, 4 plus 4 plus 4. So this one you can do in any order. Absolutely, you could do the first 2 or the last 2 numbers or the first and the last numbers. So I'm just going to do the first 2 numbers here. 4 plus 4, that's 8 plus 4 equals 12. Okay? C, we have 6 plus 5 plus 4. Let me write this down. 6 plus 5 plus 4. Again, try to remember that we're going to look for numbers that when we add them, they equal 5 or 10. And this one, I see 6 and the 4. This is an easy number to work with. 6 plus 4, that's going to equal 10, plus 5, that's going to equal 15. I can do this mentally, but I would like to see your work on your paper, okay? The next one we have is D, 5 plus 4 plus 1. Again, I'm gonna write this down here for you, 5 plus 4 plus 1, okay? So remember, we're looking for numbers that when we add, they're going to either equal 5 or 10. So I have here 4 plus 1, that will equal 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Oops, equals 10, okay? All right, now let's take a look at E here because this is our word problem. Carol has 8 sheets of orange paper, 5 sheets of black paper, and 2 sheets of blue paper on her desk. How many sheets of paper does she have in total? Total is a key word. We learned this in first grade. That means we're going to add. So I have 8 plus 5 plus 2. So I can identify how many papers or sheets of paper does she have in total, okay? So I'm going to add, here we go. I'm going to write down the 8 plus 2 plus 5, all right? So this is really simple. I have the 8 and the 2 here. They are going to equal 10. 10 plus 5 will equal 15. Remember, this is a word problem, so I'm going to answer using a sentence, a complete sentence, okay? Carol has 15 sheets of paper. Okay? Carol has 15 sheets of paper. Sorry, that noise that you hear is my cat. She's just on the table while I'm teaching this lesson. Sorry for the noise. Okay, so that is how you answer that last word problem. And then I will be emailing along with this lesson the practice. Again, you have 15 problems. Okay, so we have 1 through 5 on this page, and you have 6 through 15 on the second page, and there is a word problem, which is the early finisher. Remember, if this is completed correctly, that you will get an extra 5 points to your homework, okay? If you have any questions, feel free to either email me, or if you'd like to FaceTime me or text me, you can do that, okay? All right, have a great day. And I just wanted to let you guys know that I miss you very much and I can't wait to see you soon, okay? All right, have a great day. Bye.